My name is Sahida Khan and I am from 6th A and my school name is Varshanagar MPS School. When I grow up, I want to become a teacher because I like teaching and I want to express my thoughts to other kids and what Didi has teaching me and Bhaiya from 4 years and Bhaiya make me from nothing, he make me something, and from something Didi make us special. And I love kids also. That's why.
My name is Nikhil and I am from 6th Division A, and my school name is Varshanagar MPS School, and when I will grow up I want to become an actor because I like to do acting and I can express my feelings in that, and if there is any movie which will help the other people then I will surely do that. Whenever there is any activity in class to do any play or anything, I always participate in that, and many times they take me also, and whatever character I get, I am happy with that, and I never tell that I want this character.
My goal is to reach 8.0, but I don't mean that I want to reach. I want to reach that I am doing my best the end of the year if I am not reaching 8.0, but I am reaching my vision, and my vision is to respect everyone and talk to everyone nicely.
My vision is that I learn different languages because I am my class, because if I go to any other country or any other state then I can talk with them very nicely. I want to learn especially Marathi because I am really weak in that, and I want to learn Tamil Nadu because it's very interesting for me. My vision is also that every classmate should respect their elders and smaller because they are like you, and if you respect them they will also respect you.
Angie Didi is nice. When she came first time, she does not know how we are. That's why she start first like in a friend. She talk to us where she live, what is her name, and what she like. And but last year she used to get angry really quickly, but she improved. Now she does not get angry. And Didi and I have a similar thing that we both like to read and like to read quotes also.
Didi is very different from different teachers because she teaches us things from very different concepts so that we can understand. And if someone don't understand, she try to teach her. She have that grit to teach everyone, and she always like to teach everyone. As Shaida said that she like to read quotes and all that.
They are great teacher when they empathize the feeling of the other kids and know them really well. Then they can be the best teacher.
See, my parents' dreams are so that I can become a better person, and they always think that they always tell me to study because they want that I can be a better person for my future.
My mother and father wants to I don't know the dream, but I think that they want me to become a better person and do a thing that make them happy.
There are my two favorite quotes. One is do or die, and second one is if you are sad for 1 minute, you are living 60-second happiness. It is my favorite quote because if you are being sad, then it will not help you. You have to be very happy so that everyone can see you and be happy, and do or die because obviously if you don't do that thing, obviously you will die, but if you try, then you can be alive.
I have 2 to 3 quotes. One is that never stop when you are tired, stop when you are done, and it's that be so happy that if others see you, they become happy too.